everyone!
Hello!
Hi, Tractor Ted and Mick!
What are you all doing?
Picking strawberries.
The children are picking lots of yummy, juicy strawberries.
Let's see strawberries.
Oh, let me have a look. There are lots to pick. And here is one for me.
Ice cream, let's make ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. We all love ice cream. Everybody loves an ice cream on a hot day. First we need a lot of milk, so hello cows we say. Milking and a milking, oh thank you cows. From the parlour to the barn to be fed now. Ice cream, let's make ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. We all love ice cream.
Oh, that looks yummy. What have you got? Strawberry cake. And we got strawberry sandwiches.
They've got lots of strawberries in lots of things. Cakes, biscuits, and sandwiches.
What have you got?
Strawberry ice cream. We saw strawberry ice cream being made. How did you make it?
First, they milked the cows. Then all the milk was taken to the ice cream factory and they added lots of strawberries to make yummy strawberry ice cream.
Ice cream!
They even made special ice cream just for dogs.
I like strawberry jam sandwiches too.
Oh, Midge, you are cheeky. We have to go now. Come on, Midge.
Coming!
Bye, everyone.
Bye, bye, Midge.
Tractor Ted and Midge head off to the field. They have found lots of tractors at work.
What are they doing, Tractor Ted?
They are getting the ground ready to plant the potatoes. Look, that makes the beds for them.
A bed for a potato? I didn't know potatoes have beds.
It's not a real bed, Midge.
This is the bedding machine. As it drives along, it makes a deep furrow in the soil. This is where the potatoes will be planted. Not a very cosy bed. Whoosh! They all come tumbling out. Just look how many there are. Now it is ready to go planting.
I can't see from down here. I'm going to ask the farmer if I can have a closer look. Oh, they are very uppy, Downy. Whoa, that, oh.
You're so funny. Whoa, look at you, Midge. Just make sure you don't move any levers.
Whee! Look at me! I can see all the tractors working from up here.
you're so cheeky.
Time to plant potatoes. Off to the field we go. Deep in the ground is where potatoes grow. First we make their beds and take out all the stones. Then along comes the planter to plant them in a row. Plip plop, into the ground they drop. Plant one potato, it will turn into a lot. A little bit of sunshine, a drop of rain too. Down in the ground they'll grow. Yippee-dippee-doo.
They look really yummy.
What can Tractor Ted see now? It's the apple harvester. It's going to collect up all the apples.
I'm an apple harvester, and here's the job I do. I collect up all the apples, green and red ones too. They used to dingle, dangle there, high up in the trees. Now they're lying on the ground, waiting there for me. I love apples. I hope you love them too. Look how many apples I'm collecting up for you. I love apples. I hope you love them too. Look how many apples I'm collecting up for you.
See you later.
Bye.
The children are off to make apple juice. That sounds like fun.
Do you want to do one?
They are using an apple presser. As they turn the handle round and round, it presses down and squeezes out all the juice.
It's working!
The children have enjoyed making juice from their apples.
Yum, yum!
It's a long way up. He lifts the header up off the ground and starts harvesting.
Wow, look at the combine harvester. It's Ted-tastic. I'd better keep a safe distance from it.
As the combine drives along, it cuts the wheat and shakes out the grain.
I am a combine harvesting the wheat. I'm one of the biggest machines you'll ever meet. My cutters spin round and round, harvesting the crop. Up and down the field I go, there is no time to stop. And when my tank is full, I move my great long spout into the trailer, and whoosh, my grain comes out. I am a combine harvesting the wheat. I'm one of the biggest machines you'll ever meet.
It's Ted-tastic.